Hey, it's MK, and I am here with a kit share for you guys, and I have to do a voiceover for this one because I have lots and lots of machines going on in the background, but I wanted to share this with you guys, and I needed to get it up like now. So we are going to be using the little Celebrations by 49 and Market, and we pulled in a couple of the Little Dreamers elements as well. So we have the laser cut pieces from Little Dreamers, we have the die cut pieces for both Little Dreamers and Little Celebrations. Then we brought in these wildflower laser cuts by One Perfect Day that I think is a wedding, but these florals matched really, really well, and they brought in the peach and the cream as opposed to the blues and the grays. I also have a couple scraps that I thought would work really well. These are from Close to My Heart. This random scrap, I have no idea. And then the floral one is a Minte piece. And then I have the laser cut elements from Little Celebrations. They have the buntings and the florals and the hot air balloons and all that stuff. The florals are just gorgeous in this collection, you guys. We also are pulling in the rub-on transfers. These were my favorite. Oh my gosh, they are so fun looking. I don't know. It's just, I can't wait to dive into these. We set these off. We bought them when they first came out, set them off to the side, and then that was it. I don't know what I was looking for there, but here is the Celebrations paper pack. And I was going to go through these really, really quickly with you guys. Like I said, it's another short video, and I do apologize. I had no idea it was going to be this short. But here is the front cover of the cover sheet, and just all the little elements that are tucked away in this in the papers. This is super cute with the balloons and whatnot, but then there's little polka dots inside this one, and I like how they change from light polka dot on the dark to dark polka dot on the light. So that one is really super fun. Here's where another little hidden gem is my favorite as well, is these little chevron pieces. My eye almost missed them, but I really do like those. And there's some on the back side of this one as well. These florals, again, are gorgeous. It's going to make a great 2-page layout. And then there is a smaller floral with polka dots in the background on that back side as well. This one is super fun too. It looks like it should be a part of a double page layout, but then it's not. So that one's fun. Again, there's that element that I absolutely love about this collection. I like the color combination of this one. It's not... It's very neutral for boy or girl, for whether you're doing a baby layout or a birthday layout or anything like that. This one is fun too because it has that great corner piece as well as the wood borders, and then it's balloons and buntings on the back side. And then this, oh, it's beautiful. Look at that wood grain. And then there's that chevron in the wood grain. Oh my gosh, that is just, see, I'm just noticing it. It is absolutely fabulous. I like this one too because that looks like a simple fast page layout because it's already done for you. You add your photos and whatnot, and then a couple clusters, a title, and then you're done. All right, so then we also pulled out the solids for this one as well. And I like how this new designer actually puts on the front page that behind the packaging is a design as well. And so I like how they added that because not a lot of people see that. They just see, oh, these are the colors and that's it. But then behind the front cover, it's kind of a surprise. You don't really know what you're going to get. And another thing I like about this too is you get 2 of every sheet, but then you also get the light and the dark side. So it's really, sometimes it's very contrasting. Like the first page wasn't so contrasting, but the blues are very contrasting. The greens are very contrasting. And then the brown, I was expecting a lighter brown, but instead we got this orange. So that definitely was a surprise for me. And then, of course, I checked to see if it was different from the front cover. The front cover is a little bit lighter than this brown, but it's still super fun to see what all is in this collection. So I'm excited to see what I can do with this paper. Now, I just realized while I was putting this back in a kit form, there aren't any alphas. There's no no title at all with this collection. So I'm going to go into my alpha set and start pulling out some thickers that I think may or may not match this collection. So that's what I'm doing right now is I'm going through my thickers, and I found this one here that is a puffy sticker. I actually have 2 sheets of those just in case. And then that one, not so much. It was a little bit on the darker side. I didn't really like the rose gold for this one. And then I think I'm pulling out, oh, this was my favorite set. It's like a wood grain, and then it has glitter on the outside of it. So then I pulled out another wood grain, and this one is a chipboard. So both of those two are chipboard. Actually, what's really cool about the glitter lined ones is they feel like real wood. It is very, I wish I would have got 2 of those, but I'm actually trying to work my way through all of these alphas so that way I can move on to just my dies, and then I have the same, all my letters all the time. And then I pulled out some Vicky Boutin collage alphas as well. So I'm super excited about how that is going to work out. Don't forget to check out Janet Fritz's channel to see her kit for this week. This is week 2, by the way. So don't forget to check out Janet Fritz's channel, who is Galaxy Girl Creations. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really, truly appreciate it. And I will check you guys all later. Bye.